watching English Current Affairs with me, Sejal. Let's take a quick view in and our around nation and global. The birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was celebrated with devotion and respect at the Tehsil Police Station premises in Nagpur. On this occasion, police officers and staff paid floral tribute to the state of Dr. Ambedkar and offered their respects. During the event, a pledge was taken to remain committed to the Constitution and to follow his ideals. The officers remember his contribution and covered the message to equality and justice in society. A dignified atmosphere was witnessed throughout the program at the police station premises. Following repeated complaints of legal mining in Banda, a joint team conducted raids on 4 mines on the order of the district magistrate. The investigation revealed large-scale illegal mining activities. As a result, fines amount to nearly 1.75 crore have been imposed. On the eve of the 135th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in Nagpur, Bhim followers carried out the Grand Dhamma Jyot rally with great enthusiasm. The rally, which began from Indora Buddha Vihar, reached Samvidhan Chowk, where celebration peaked at midnight with cake cutting and chants of Jai Bhim echoing across the area. Followers celebrate with blue gulal, traditional dresses and fireworks. Samvidhan Chowk filled with a sea of blue because the main attraction of the celebration. Cocaine worth 4.26 crore has been seized from the Rajdhani Express and a woman has been arrested in connection with the case. The drug was being smuggled by concealing in 50 capsules. The action was taken by the Nagpur unit of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence based on confidential information. During the investigation, it was revealed that the cocaine was also hidden inside shampoo bottles to evade defected. In total, 853 grams of cocaine powder were recovered by the DRI team. The operation is considered a major breakthrough in exposing the large during trafficking network. That's all from the newsroom. For more updates in and around, stay tuned with Nagpur Samay News. Till then, Sejal says goodbye. Please take care, very good care of yourself.